In this lesson, we will discussing the various reasons why you should consider using Node.js for your projects. We'll explore the benefits and advantages it offers and how it can help you create fast, scalable, and efficient web applications. So Node.js has become increasingly popular among developers and for a good reasons. Here are some key advantages of using Node.js. First of all is speed and performance. Node.js is built on the V8 engine JavaScript, which compiles JavaScript directly into native machine code. This allows your application to run much faster and more efficient than with traditional interpreted languages. The event-driven, non-blocking I/O model of Node.js further enhances performance, especially in I/O-bound and real-time application. The second one is scalability. Node.js is designed with scalability in mind. Its lightweight, event-driven architects make it easy to build and scale large, complex applications without sacrificing performance. This is particularly useful for applications with a large number of simultaneously connections such as a real-time chat application, online gaming servers, and API servers. The next one, single language for both front-end and back-end, so we can call it full stack. And it's the one of the biggest advantages of Node.js is the ability to use JavaScript for both front-end and back-end development. This means you can write and maintain your entire application in a single languages, simplifying development and reducing the need to switch between multiple languages. The next one is a large and active community. So, big community. Node.js boasts a large and active community of developers, which means you will have access to a wealth of resources, libraries, and support. The Node Package Manager, I mean NPM, is the largest package repository in the world, offering a vast array of open source packages to help you build projects more efficiently. The next one is versatility and flexibility. So Node.js can be used for a wide range of applications, from simple web servers to complex data intensive applications. Its flexibility allows you to develop anything from RESTful APIs to microservices, real-time applications, and much more. And the next one is cross-platform compatibility. So Node.js is cross-platform, meaning you can run your applications on various operation systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This makes it easy to develop and deploy your application across different environments. And these are just some of the many reasons why developers choose Node.js for their projects. As you progress through this tutorial series and begin building your own Node.js application, you will discover even more advantages and capabilities that this powerful runtime environment has to offer. So that will be all for today. So that will be all for that lesson, and see you at the next one.